Here come all the duckies and geese. They're fighting. I want to get a video of the duck fighting the duck. Oh, Mom, give me bread. All the ducks are behind us.
Yeah, they're circling us. Look, here comes this one again. Look at him.
Love the duck.
I know. I love how he keeps sitting. He tries to steal everybody's stuff. That's why they're so mean to him, I guess.
And they run away to the water. This duck is an ass. You know that guy that nobody wants to be friends with? You are that guy, duck.
Look at that duck. I'm gonna give him bread just because I like his guts. He's got guts.
He's got stuff hanging off his face, too.
Look at him, here he comes.
Here he comes. Oh my god. Oh. It's happening. Oh, he couldn't get up the hill. Oh, there we go.
He's a pig.
Yeah, he is.
Here.
Can I have some bread, please? Thanks, kid. I'm gonna be nice to the duck. Oh, Mom, it has a tongue! It was sticking its tongue out!
People eat their tongues.
That's disgusting.
Goose tongue pate.
That's disgusting.
Did you see?
Oh, look, it pooped! It pooped! Poop. No? Okay. Their tongues are so cute. Here, ew. Ew. It's so yucky looking, but it's so cute. Why would you want to eat a tongue from a goose? Oh, that one actually kind of hurt.
Hurt, Laurel?
Yeah, he dive bombed for my thumb.
These are easier to feed. They don't have, like, their mouths aren't as pointy.
Oh. Come here, white pretty bird. I know, that's the one that dive bombed my thumb.
Because they're scared.
It's so cute.
It's like, oh, I have to eat out of your hand. This one, look at this brave one. He's like, I can do it.
They can't decide if they should do it or not.
I can do it. Good on. Good job.
Oh, dang, I dropped it.
Idiot.
I felt so bad. I thought it was going to attack me again.
The big geese don't. The Canadian geese, they're the ones that kind of snap hard.
Can I have these? Yo. I'm going to try this again. Oh my god.
What do you say?
It broke. I'm scared it's going to like bite my finger.
It's not, with what?
It's teeth. It has teeth.
They're tiny little teeth. They're like teeth on a comb.
Okay, like for real, I'm going to feed you now. Come on.
It's like I'm tired of being teased.
Come on, Goose. I'm going to feed you. No, for real. I'm going to feed you now.
I think it picks up on how scared you are.
Oh, look, I fed that one, Mom.
Did you?
Yeah, I didn't drop it.
Careful, not too big.
Geese. Why are you giving it to me? I don't eat bread.
Because she wants you to feed it. Because she sees you being scared. You're overcoming your fears.
Fears of birds. Overcoming my fears of birds. Oh my god, this is terrifying.
I should feed you.